Standard LED headlights give Tundra a commanding presence, while the capstone grade's chrome-finished exterior accents and 22-inch alloy wheels make for a truly premium look. Meanwhile, TRD Pro pays tribute to Toyota's off-roading history thanks to his heritage-inspired grille with an integrated LED light bar, resulting in a striking appearance that matches Tundra's legendary off-road credentials. This rugged and refined exterior is backed by genuine toughness. Thanks to a fully boxed frame and an aluminum-reinforced composite bed, Tundra is as capable as it is eye-catching. Additionally, its available power tailgate brings an extra layer of convenience, allowing owners to easily access the contents in the bed. Getting in and out of the truck is even more convenient thanks to an available retractable bed step, as well as available power retractable running boards that make this stylish truck so practical and effortless. It's not just the outside that offers a distinct